Hello everybody and welcome back to Workshop Wednesdays, the show where we show you tips, tricks and hints in our workshop. So today on Workshop Wednesdays we are going to be talking about lighting. Now in the workshop we are getting in, under and around the vehicles and we need plenty of light to do our job properly. Now generally we would use LED rechargeable lights. We've got one here that stands up on its own. We've got the LED strip light that has a magnetic base and is magnetic at the back, so it's handy for sticking to underneath the van. But today we're going to be talking about that Olight H2R Nova. Now we don't normally do this sort of product review, but they have sent us this light because it's a head torch and that is absolutely what we are missing in the workshop and one thing we do need. As today's video we're going to be showing you the i3 EOS as well, which is what you get when you click on the link below and you get the Black Friday deal. So when you purchase the H2R Nova you get the smaller i3 EOS torch included. So when we're working in a camper van or underneath a van, we really need good lighting for it. Like we said before, we've got a few different examples. This LED light here, they've got about 6 hours of charge and they are 10 watts with a lithium ion battery. Really good bits of kit. You can angle them about. You can pick them up, you can even hook them up onto things, so they're really good for when we're working underneath the vans in particular, because you can just angle them upright. The strip light, again, it's LED. This one charges by a micro USB on the back, so you can pretty much charge it in your vehicle as well if you need to. It has two magnets on the back, one on the bottom, and it's got a hook, or two hooks on it as well that fold out. It has a conventional torch type action, so a smaller LED light on the front, and on the second click you get an LED bar on the front. Really good for getting into smaller spaces and magnetizing underneath the vehicle or just sticking in one position as well. The one light we're missing from our collection is the head torch, and today we have got the H2R Nova. Now Olight, the manufacturer of this light, they got in touch and asked us what we wanted. We said a head torch and they provided us with this. So let's go ahead and unbox it. So loads of information on the cover there. Apparently the battery's got a total of 45 days, a throw of light at 153 meters. The LED is an XHP50 and the IP rating is X8, which is the waterproof rating. Maximum of 2,300 lumens and a lithium ion rechargeable battery. Quite like the tab. Very nice. Okay, now that is cool. For a torch, that's a really nice case. Saying here, before first use, unscrew the tail cap and take off the insulating film, which we will do. There's another tab to lift up yet. Excellent. So, first of all, that is the charger. So, USB charger with magnetic base. Some 3M self-adhesive sticky pads. I'll have to find out what they're for later. And then the strap. Okay, really nice elasticated strap, looks like plenty of adjustment, and something which is quite important is it looks like it has the ability to take the actual overhead strap off as well. And the case that's holding the torch is a nice rubber strap, which means you can clip the torch in and fold it over. Now I think there's a bit more I have to do, but straight off the bat I can feel that that's magnetic, so that's a really good start. So move that out of the way. Let's have a look at the torch. It's got quite a weight to it by the looks of it. It's got a belt clip, really nicely manufactured. It's anodized metal by the looks of it, and it's got this magnetic base. Now I believe, well, it's not only is it magnetic to the charger, it's magnetic. Yep. So that will be able to stick to the vehicles we're after as well. So we'll be able to use the torch individually or in the headlight cradle too. And even now you can tell that that's quality. And even the threads have been lightly oiled as well, so you don't get that nasty graunching when you're unscrewing the thread. So the battery is an 18650 rechargeable lithium ion, 3.6 volt, 3000 milliamp hours. Okay, again, nice action there on the screw thread. Okay, and already that is a really, really nice piece of kit. Okay, I'm pressing and holding that button and you can see that the LED is going through its different levels of brightness. So one touch is off, one touch is on, but if you hold it down, you've got different. Okay, have I just killed it?
No.
Okay, after nearly blinding myself and figuring it all out, it really pays to read the instructions. So, the Olight. Standard on, off, and that is in the medium mode, or the last mode you set it in. There are 5 different modes on this. So the first, if we press and hold, is Moonlight. It's really dim. Recommend that when you're in your tent or your camper van, you maybe want to read something. That's the perfect sort of light. It will then go to low, then medium, then high, and then it should start going back down the grade again. Okay. So, and then we turn it off. To go into turbo mode, you double click it twice, and that is really, really bright. That's what I blinded myself with earlier. And then it has an SOS mode as well. Now, if you click it 3 times in quick succession, it will start flashing, and that is the SOS mode. There we go. It's doing the Morse code for SOS. Dot 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 dash 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 dot 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 Morse code for SOS. Now, really, really nice piece of kit. Really impressed with this already. To turn it into a head torch, obviously we can put that on our belt clip. It's a really nice strong clip, but it just springs off there to help us turn it into head torch mode. Now, straight off the bat, it magnetizes in there, so even if the strap does come loose, it's not going to fall out straight away. You do have the option to take the magnet out as well, and it gives you instructions in here. You tear off the pad on the back, remove the magnet, put a new pad back on. So they've thought of everything. So the torch is right on here, put the strap over, and that's it. You can adjust up and down on it. There you go, you've got your really, really nice head torch. And so if I wanted to work down on this van, for example, you can see the difference, and I can adjust it if I was working up here, or I wanted to work down here. It's adjustable to wherever I need to work. So really, really, really impressed by that. And that's the Olight H2R Nova. It's got a couple of facts on the back. So in moon setting, which is 1 lumen, apparently the battery will last 45 days. On low setting, 50 hours, the battery will last fully charged. Medium, 10 hours. High, 2.5 hours. And turbo, anywhere up to 110 minutes, but it is super bright. It did pretty much blind me earlier. Yeah, so really, really good piece of kit. Now, if you click on the link below for the Black Friday deal, which is why they've sent this to us, because they want to tell you about the Black Friday deal, you get this small torch as well. This is the i3E EOS. Again, it's the first time we've seen it, so we're unboxing it with you today. Again, really nice case. Nice. Really small. It says, before first use, unscrew the light head, remove the insulating film inside the light head before putting the light back on. And it says on there that it's got AAA battery. So, general AAA batteries. Here we go. That's the little protector. Comes with a AAA battery in it. Screw that back on. There we go, it's a screw to turn on, screw to turn off. And that's actually really good. That's going to be going on my keys for sure. So that's the i3E EOS, and that will come as a free gift by the H2R Nova. And so yeah, bit of a promotional video, but warranted really, because Olight said they'd send us a light if we did a video for them, and I'm really glad they have, because that is going to be a really good tool in the workshop and something we've been missing. So thank you so much for joining us today for your little workshop Wednesday. And again, if you wanted to order this light for yourself, click on the link below and you get your free gift for Black Friday.